Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to the group Unity on 1T, UN1TY, and this is the basically reaction video to the music video Satu, the one. So I can't wait to see the reaction.
Hey yo, this is Unity.
Unity. Yeah.
Hatimu selatan utara, lama ku mencari-cari kau cinta. Ternyata ku bodoh adanya, selama ini kau di depan mata. Jauh ku kejar kata tampak, maafkan raga cinta.
Is that Mr. Vocals?
Tak melihat tulus hatimu yang selalu mencintaiku. Kini ku untukmu, maukah dirimu untuk jadi satu yang paling utama di hatiku, satu yang jadi juara di hidupku,
Satu,
pendamping hidupku hanya kamu,
Satu. Come on with the edits. Oops. Yes. Oh, I like his hair color. Yeah. Satu. 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 So cute. Satu. I am buying whatever this group is selling. Hey, 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 hey.
Jadi satu yang paling utama di hatiku,
Satu,
jadi juara di hidupku,
Satu,
pendamping hidupku hanya kamu,
Satu,
cinta di sisa hidupku, kamu
Satu.
jadi satu selamanya, yang paling utama di hatiku,
Satu,
jadi juara di hidupku,
Satu,
pendamping hidupku hanya kamu,
Satu,
cinta di sisa hidupku,
Satu.
jadi satu.
Okay, thank you so much, that Satu. Thank you so much for that Unity. I really do like it from the group, from the guys. I really do like that. I really do respect it. I think this group, Unity, is very talented, a very good group. So I am here for whatever they're selling me. So I want to say thanks to the ones who brought this group to my channel. I really do appreciate it. I do like this group, very talented. I just love the recommendation I'm getting from everyone. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to you as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.